recovering the refrigerant. We're going to be changing out the evaporator coil today. It's got quite a few leaks in it. So we're going to recover all the refrigerant out, remove the coil, install the new coil, replace the TXV. I'm going to put in a new line dryer. And then we'll do a vacuum and then recharge, well, as well as a pressure test with nitrogen, which is over there. So, just about done. So here we go. Okay, so this is the coil we're going to be removing and replacing with an aluminum. So this is a C33, and we're putting in a C35. Same size, but the pipes are going to be in a different area. I think they're a little bit lower. So we're going to have to repipe this a little bit. Make sure we have room. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take all the drainage off and take the flue pipe out, cut this free, remove it, and then go from there. Okay, so we got it all cut out. So we're going to go ahead and slide the new one in, and then we'll start prepping and get it all brazed up. And then we'll go and change the line set outside, or the line dryer outside. So here's a little cheap insurance, which was not done the first time. I don't want to be responsible for any water leaks. It took me 2 seconds. Same thing with the primary. Oops. Okay, so here's a little trick for the drain line. So if I put this on here, I'm not going to be able to spin it to tighten it, so I just pick up the whole coil and then I can spin it. And you do this too when you're taking it off. Alright, cool. So now we just got to dry fit our piping and we should be good to go. We're going to be installing a TXV, but there's a piston in there, so we need to use a special tool to get it out, or we could just do that. So that's ready. Alright, so we're going to install our TXV, so first things first. Hey kitty. We want to put the gasket on, so the blue one's going to go on this side and sit right in there. And then the white one's gonna go right in there like that. Okay. We're gonna slide this into the distributor. Make sure it's on there good. So. This one actually. Alright. Oops, I dropped it. Alright. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and put it in there like that. Make sure that it's sitting on the gasket nice. If you don't get it flat and you crank this down, it's just going to ruin the gasket. So I'm just going to be hand tightening this because we're just going to be dry fitting. I'm probably going to take this all off when I'm brazing it, so we don't melt these gaskets. Alrighty. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and switch this right here. I've already reamed it. I had some nitrogen going so the flakes wouldn't go inside. There you go. We already got this bent. Here's my Hilmor bender. And so I'm going to go ahead and, this is a 7/8 line. 7/8 line, and then this is 3/4. So I'm just going to make an elbow with a 3/4. Slide it in there, braze it up, slide it in there, done. I'm going to make a 90 out of this piece of 3/4 with the Hilmor. So we're going to go ahead and ream this out. We'll sand our fittings. Okay, so we're going to connect our pieces. Just like that. There we go. Alright, so we got everything dry fitted. Looks ugly now, but once we're all done, it'll look a lot better. So we're going to take this flue pipe back out and get this all brazed up. So we're going to go start the nitrogen, and then we'll start brazing. So we're going to start our nitrogen through our liquid line and out of our suction. Suction line's open. Trigger course have been removed. And we're going to use about 5 psi. So we're going to go ahead and crank all this stuff down. And then we're going to go outside and replace the line dryer. Once the line dryer is replaced, go ahead and pressure up the nitrogen, make sure nothing's leaking. And we should be good to go. These guys down too much. They could actually end up damaging the little O-ring that's in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this equalizing tube attached. Same thing with this. Just get it nice and snug. You don't have to get crazy with it. So we're going to go ahead and put about 220 psi of nitrogen in here, let it hold for 45 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to take my lunch. 219, 218.3. So we're going to let it settle for a little bit and then we'll start the timer. Alright, so she's all back together, and we're pulling a vacuum right now. So I'm just going to clean up in here, and then we'll wait for the vacuum to finish. Looking good. On a vacuum, and we've been going now for about 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So yeah, we're shooting for 500, so once we're done with that, add the refrigerant and be on our way. Turned on, so we added 6 pounds, 11 ounces. That's what the system holds. So we're gonna let it run for a few minutes, make sure everything's good, and just in case I have to top it off. But we should be good to go. And I pretty much got everything cleaned up, so just gotta go ahead and get paid, and then on to the next. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.